All right, so now, in this example, we're adding two rational expressions, but they don't have the same denominator. So we're going to have to do something to make them the same. So we're going to use the concept of equivalent fractions. So what we're doing is we're going to find what's called the least common divisor. Okay, the least common divisor, LCD. So we need to find what's missing on both of these and make them the least common divisor. So in this case, the least common divisor is going to be a product of primes where the exponents are the highest of all the denominators. So in this case here, what do we got? If you look at the product of primes of this one, we got 2 squared times a, and here we've got what? 2 times 5 times a squared. So what we're going to do is take all of the common factors, and we're going to take the ones with the highest exponent. So here we've got 2, so we're going to take 2 squared, and then 5, we have no 5 here, but we have a 5 here, so we'll take 5 here. Okay, and then we're going to take a squared here. Okay, now if we combine this will give us our LCD. Okay, so now what are we missing on both of these denominators in order to get this? Well, we've got 2 squared here, we're missing an a here. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take 7 and over 4a, and we're going to multiply the top and the bottom by what? We're going to multiply the top and the bottom by a. We're missing an a. We need a squared. We're missing a 5. Okay, and that's it. So we're going to put a 5a. Well, we should write it the right way. So this will be 5a divided by 5a. Okay? So that will give us our same thing here. So this equals 4 times 5a squared, or 20a squared, right? Now, over on this side, we're missing what? We're missing a 2, right? We're missing a 2. So we're going to take this fraction, and we're going to multiply by 2 on the bottom. And that's it. That's all we're missing over here. So we're just going to multiply by 2 over 2. And so all we're doing is we're using equivalent fractions here. We need to get 20a squared on the bottom. So if I do here, this gives me what? 7 times 5 is 35, so that gives me 35a over 20a squared plus 22 over 20a squared. Now I have two fractions with common denominators that I now can add across the top and keep the bottom. Right? So now it's just going to be 35a plus 22 all over 20a squared. Now, at this point we're done. Now, we'd like to see if we can simplify, but at this point there's really nothing to simplify here. There's nothing in common that will cancel with the top and the bottom. Be careful. Don't just cancel the a's because you see it. This is addition up here. So remember, you can't cancel across addition. Okay, you can only cancel across multiplication and division. Okay, so this would be our final answer. Have a great day.